welcome back to the channel, man. Let's take another quick tour, guys. BT with JT, real quick. Let's get it. Okay, guys, let's go this way. And what we have over here, this look like a Charger. Hey, it's got a HEMI on it too. What they doing over here? Hey, I see a head off. Cylinder, I only see one head off, unless they doing what we call tear down. Sometimes we get authorization. Yeah, because I see two head gaskets. So maybe we did a tear down time for an adjuster, insurance adjuster. And the parts just got here. I don't know what he's doing, but we go to parts. Where's the head? Where's the head is over here. Now, you're obviously not doing a ticker because I don't see any camshafts over here. Just valve train. Which begs the question, guys, if we already know they have problems with these lifters, you got to look at these real good and feel them. If you already have them out to do something else, should you go in with new ones? What do y'all think? I think because they have a known failure, unless these been replaced before. Some people will not replace something if they don't see a problem with it, which is should be your mindset anyway, I want to say, but up to a certain point. Like, this is a known problem, okay? So, and you right there, guys. Why not act proactive and go ahead and put the updated new set of lifters in the car, especially if you're going to have the heads off anyway. Okay, you could prevent this poor customer from, because this ruins the camshaft, not the other way around, where the camshaft ruins the lifters. Okay, when these come apart, that's what's ruined the camshaft. So if you already know there's a known problem with these lifters, why not go ahead and replace them? I don't know how they do that. And because it's an insurance adjuster, if we tried to write that up, they probably would say, well, it wasn't ticking, so don't worry about it. It'd be our luck we install it 2 months later, come back, tick, 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 tick. And we had the golden change. Y'all remember the spring problem we used to have? Well, they got a handle on that. Everything is always being updated and looked over and seeing what can be improved. Yeah, I see two head gaskets, so I assume they're doing some head gasket repair. I don't know. I'm going to ask them tomorrow, though, because now I'm worried. I want to know. Suspense is killing me. All right, so let's go this way, guys. Let's go over here and see what's going on. All right, guys, we're going this way. Y'all see this engine still here and gas? Remember we was debating about, we was guessing about what is going in? Well, we can stop guessing. I'm about to show y'all what this engine is going in. The 3.8 V6 engine is going in. Y'all ready for this? Dun-dun! That's right, guys. This Wrangler. I don't know what year this is, but and guys, don't let the small size fool you. Don't let all this room fool you. You may think because this engine is small, it has no power or no torque or anything like that. This is a real powerful workhorse here, buddy. And y'all know what else? This car is it's a four-wheel drive unit, four-wheel drive setup. Maybe it's not. I don't see a front differential, guys. So it's not. God, this is the first time I've ever seen a Wrangler that's not the first time, but I have yet to. And that might be why, because it's equipped with the little small 3.8. Because see, if this was four-wheel drive, you see the complete drive shaft right in there. Whoa! Every Wrangler I've always dealt with, yep, no front axle. It's a rear-wheel drive setup, so there is a rear axle, but I don't know why you have to tip them out, but I see tip them missing. But yeah, guys, to answer your question, this is the vehicle that this 3.8 is going in. This Wrangler. I wonder why he got everything out. I don't know why you're replacing it. I don't know if it's knocking, banging, or what, but this is what it's going in. This is a nice Wrangler too. So I know some of you guys guessed Wrangler because of the position that the core was in. The core was set sideways on the Wrangler. All right, guys, let's take a stroll this way. All right, let's go this way. What we have over here? All right, it's a red minivan with a typical 3.6. Every time I ask y'all to guess why these type vehicles in, like I did the other one, people quick to say he's either a ticker or oil leaker or if it's the adapter housing. I never did find out, guys, what that other one was, but I don't know what this one is. So, but y'all guess it's possibly right. I mean, they've been known to leak oil right at the center, or it could be a ticker, or it could be a transmission, guys. They pretty much got a handle on all these newer type vans built like this. This body stopped in 2020. That was a wrap. They went on longer than planned. All right, so typical 3.6 in the minivan. All right, guys, let's go over here, see what's going on this side. Oh, that looked like a nice Charger. I don't want to put anybody car on blast, but yes, this is a, y'all would think this is a muscle car, right? That's all you see right there, but guess what's under the hood? Yes, 3.6. Okay, and I don't want to touch anything, but it looked like he had the intake off. I don't know what he's about to do. Might be chasing some kind of, I don't know, evap leak or maybe air filters off, air cleaner housing, but still fairly new. But it's just, I think if I'm gonna get a nice looking Charger, I want some pep to it. They used to call these, we had a coworker buy one of these, purchase one of these, and we dogged him out because he had one with a 3.6. We were like, man, how you gonna get a muscle car with no muscles? It's not that that's not muscle, it's just you have the option to get bigger muscles. Okay, so if you get the Charger with the HEMI in it, yes, you have an option to get bigger. Alright guys, y'all remember the Toyota Camry, so this is the parts we have, right? Yep, well, the parts got here. Okay, obviously it's some sort of, look like AC line, so in order to do that line, you basically have to remove the bumper. I am curious, I'm going to the rear of this thing. I want to see exactly what kind of ride this is. That someone traded in, so let me get this straight. Someone traded in their Toyota Camry for a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Ram. I don't know which vehicle they got, but what that tells me, guys, they are more impressed with the Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Ram. Nah, that's not what that means. I'm not sure. It's kind of small, so they may be extending their family, but at any rate, they traded this in and got something else. Now y'all making me suspicious. I want to know what did they get. So what would justify trading in your nice Toyota for a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Ram? Now that's the used car guy. When they trade them in, they come to the used car department and he got to look them over and find out what's wrong. Well, he found the AC don't work and this is why. So in order to replace it, got to remove the bumper. But I'm just curious to know, what did they get when they traded it in? Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is nice. Okay, now, I'm not a big advocate for import cars, but I happen to own one. And I will say that I have had hardly any problems at all with it. Okay, of course, it's a 93 truck, so even if I had problems, who knows if I would get them fixed. But yeah, this is nice, guys. Toyota Camry. So let's go back to the other side, man, see what's going on. All right, guys, I'm back down here on the end. And I got a little piece of bad news, guys. Bad news is, yes, they wanted the core back. Y'all remember I told y'all we're gonna bust this thing open if they don't come back and get it. Well, I just got a phone call asking me where the engine was at, that they was coming to get it. So what I'm gonna do is take me a few things off of it. Y'all know how unpredictable these coils are. Take one off, it starts to break. Well, I will have some spare coils on my hand in the event that happens. These are OEMs. Nothing's wrong with them. At least the car had no misfire issues, but anytime we have one and we break one, we're gonna be blamed for it. If I go back, if I'm doing a tune-up on a car and I pull one of the coils off to replace it, or to replace the spark plug, and one break, first thing come out of customer mouth is it wasn't broke when I brought it in. So I can counter that by doing this. All right, sorry guys, I had big plans, but it's not working out that way. All right, guys, they don't even trying to guess this one. Typical 3.6 van. In fact, I'm about to bring it around. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Every now and then I do one of these little tours, let y'all see what's going on without putting anybody's car on blast. I don't want to, I mean, I might mention what kind of car it is, but other than that, but that's all I have, man.